Running tabletop RPGs online with fantasy grounds and need to open an FGC campaign file? These contain complete RPG campaigns ready for virtual play. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these fantasy grounds campaign files. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one premier FGC file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. A user searching for .fgc is looking to load a saved game campaign in the Fantasy Grounds virtual tabletop software. This file acts as a comprehensive container, storing all campaign-specific data, such as character sheets, maps, story entries, images, and non-player character, NPC information for a role-playing session. The .fgc file is fundamentally a renamed zip archive that contains an XML database, db.xml, alongside folders for various assets. This design allows for the easy packaging of diverse content types into a single portable file. The underlying XML structure provides a flexible, extensible way to store complex game data. The ideal software for creation and opening of FGC is Fantasy Grounds from Smiteworks USA, LLC. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows may detect the file type, but game engines or modding tools are required to interpret it. Go to your file and right-click the FGC file, choosing Open With. If Fantasy Grounds is an option, select it immediately. If it's unavailable, choose another. We need to test the file against all compatible programs. If your FGC file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, opening in Fantasy Grounds. Launch Fantasy Grounds and use the Campaign Management interface to import or open the FGC file. The application loads the complete campaign displaying maps, character sheets, and adventure content. Configure player connections through the host mode to invite participants for online tabletop sessions with full campaign functionality. Next, importing adventure modules. Many FGC files represent purchased adventure modules from the Fantasy Grounds Forge or DM's Guild. Install through the Fantasy Grounds module activation interface, providing access to professionally produced campaign content with maps, tokens, encounters, and storylines ready for Game Master use. Modules integrate with character sheets for streamlined gameplay. Finally, backing up campaigns. Regularly back up FGC campaign files to protect against data loss from system failure or accidental deletion. Copy files to cloud storage or external drives. Fantasy Grounds also provides export functions for sharing campaigns with other users, though licensing of original content must be respected when distributing campaign files containing purchased materials. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.